Let me show you how I use bots to generate unlimited leads for any offer. This system is incredibly effective, and it's surprisingly simple to set up. Right now, I'm sending thousands of messages every hour to promote offers that pay me commissions. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I do it and how you can start using the same system. I've also put together a free checklist to help you get started. To grab it, just drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll send it to you right away, completely free. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a funnel that drives traffic using bots, how to configure and automate the bots, and how to put the entire system on autopilot. This will help you generate leads and book appointments for any offer you want to promote. This isn't just something that works for me. I've made significant income using this system, and it's helped countless others as well. If you're looking for a deeper dive, we're offering a full 6-session bootcamp. The link is in the description, or you can visit Shinefy.com to learn more. In the bootcamp, we'll guide you live on Zoom, step by step, and show you exactly how to set up and run this system. You can even check out testimonials from others who've had incredible success with it. So don't wait. Drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe now to get the free checklist. And if you're ready to take things to the next level, join the bootcamp today. Now let's talk about what's required to make this system work. First, we need a way to capture leads. What we're doing here is sending out messages to website owners, letting them know we have an offer for them. In this case, the offer is a free lead generation service. Here's how it works. We provide website owners with their first few leads for free. To do this, we use a pixel that tracks and generates these leads directly from their website. We'll dive deeper into how the pixel works shortly, but the key takeaway is that you need an enticing offer. Once we deliver those free leads, we present a paid service to help them generate even more leads. At this point, we also have the opportunity to sell them on the system itself. After we start sending messages, we need to ensure that anyone opening them has a clear way to view and interact with our offer. This is where the funnel comes in. We use a tool called High Level to set up our funnel. If you access our free checklist, you'll find a link to a 30-day free trial of High Level. Once you sign up, you'll get access to our custom snapshot, which includes the exact funnels we use. Here's an example. One of our funnels features a website with the headline, "We get website owners more leads for free. No hidden fees, no price wall, no trial." When people visit this site after receiving our messages, they're intrigued. They enter their details, and from there, they're directed to a booking page where they can schedule a call with us. All of this is set up within High Level. We also provide full training on how to use the platform, including creating your pages, grabbing your links, and importing our snapshot. Once imported, everything, like automations, emails, and landing pages, is ready to go. From there, you'll simply customize the funnel with your own website name, which we cover in the training. We also show you how to purchase your domain, connect your email, and make everything seamless. This process is incredibly straightforward, and once you've followed along, your system will be ready to run. That's how simple it is to get started. Once your funnel is set up, you're ready to start driving traffic and sending out messages. Here's how the tool works. It allows us to customize our messaging based on the offers we're promoting. Essentially, we're filling out contact forms on websites, and by adjusting the tool's settings, we can tailor the messages to match our offers. For example, the message we're currently sending to website owners is something like, "We have leads for your website. If you'd like access to them, visit our link or reply to this email." Inside our bootcamp, we go deeper into the messaging strategies and share all the tests we've been running. I've experimented with countless approaches to see what works best. Through these tests, I've been able to successfully sell affiliate offers, services, and more. What's important to understand is that the success of your outreach depends heavily on your messaging angles. Some approaches will work extremely well, while others may not perform as expected. That's why we've tested numerous angles for you, so you can start with proven messaging that gets results. Many people who use this tool for the first time might send out a few messages, see no responses, and assume it doesn't work. But that's not true. Success depends on the angles you use and how you structure your messages. Now let me show you some results. Looking at the stats for a small test we ran last month, we drove about 900 clicks to a page using this tool. From that, we had 26 opt-ins, but when you include the additional leads generated through the pixel and other strategies, we ended up with about 80 leads. Out of those, 15 turned into booked appointments. And remember, this was just a small test. If I had scaled this campaign, those numbers could easily have been 10 to 20 times higher. When you start running this system, you'll likely end up with more leads than you know what to do with. It's an incredibly powerful way to drive traffic and generate results quickly. Let's talk about what happens once people start engaging with your offer. When someone enters their information but doesn't immediately book a call, we've set up an automation to follow up with them. This automation sends a message saying something like, "Hey, we're excited to help you get your free leads. Here's the link to book a call with us." This leads them back to the booking page, and from there, you can continue remarketing to these leads over time. You can even offer additional services down the line because now you own those leads. Once someone books a call, your job is straightforward. Get on the phone with them and present your offer. In our case, we're offering the first few leads for free. Specifically, 500 leads for free. Now, you might wonder, how can we offer 500 leads for free and guarantee results? It's actually very simple. We use a tool that provides those leads. When you click the link we provide, you can access 500 free leads. This tool also has an affiliate program, meaning you can earn money not only by offering services, but also through affiliate commissions. Here's how it works. The tool uses a pixel that you install on any website. This pixel tracks website visitors and generates leads. For example, on one of my funnels, the pixel collects anywhere from 100 to 300 leads daily. Setting it up is easy. You just grab the pixel code, go into the settings of your funnel, if you're using a platform like HighLevel, and paste the code there. Most business owners don't have a system like this in place to collect emails, so offering this is a huge value to them. Our first offer is to provide those 500 leads for free. All they need to do is create an account through our affiliate link. When they upgrade to paid plans for more leads, we earn recurring commissions. But that's not all. Once we're on the call, we can offer a done-for-you setup for an additional fee. Many people don't know how to set these systems up themselves, so they're willing to pay for professional assistance. Here's how we position it. DIY option. Teach them how to set it up themselves, perhaps by enrolling them in our bootcamp. Done-for-you service. Set up their funnel, high-level account, and infinite traffic system for them. Currently, as part of our upsell, we're offering the done-for-you setup at $297. You can adjust this price based on what you feel is fair, even going up to $497 or more. And the best part? You'll get access to our complete checklist for free today. This checklist includes all the tools and services you can sell, such as high-level and other affiliate opportunities. Not only can you earn through services, but you'll also generate recurring income from affiliates. This system combines value for your clients and multiple revenue streams for you. It's a win-win. All right, let's recap everything so far. If you're feeling confused, don't worry. Seriously, that's completely normal. You're in the right place and we're here to help. Just join our group at discord.gg/Shinefy, and we'll walk you through it step by step. So, here's what we're doing. We're setting up a funnel to capture leads, using bots to handle the messaging for us, and then we're offering something of value. That could be a free trial, a tool from our affiliate list, or even a service like setting up these tools for clients. That's the entire process. You decide what to give away for free, you decide what to sell. And once everything is set up, it pretty much runs on autopilot. This allows you to generate traffic and leads day and night without needing to constantly manage it. And the best part? You can use this system for so many things. You can sell it as a service to help others generate leads, promote affiliate products, or even use it to grow your own business. The possibilities are endless. Now, I know this works because I've been doing it for a long time. If you go back and check out some of my older videos, you'll see that I've run countless tests. Not everything worked perfectly, of course, that's just how it goes. Some messages resonate, and others don't. But here's the thing. When you get the messaging right, when your settings are optimized, and when everything is set up properly, the results are incredible. You can generate so much traffic and so many leads. It's honestly mind-blowing how effective this system can be. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Join us in the Discord group, and we'll help you out with whatever you need. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can join the Infinite Traffic System program. We meet twice a week, on Mondays and Fridays at 1 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, for 6 weeks. If you can't make it live, no worries. All sessions are recorded, and you can catch the replays. Just visit shinefy.com for more details and to get started. That's it for now. Hopefully, I'll see you inside the program. Until next time, happy money making, and I'll see you soon. Bye.